Hello YouTube friends and welcome. I know it has been a long time that I reviewed any Swiss army knife or Swiss folding knife, so thank you for waiting. If you are a fan of these knives on my channel, I have acquired one Wenger that I would like to show you, and if you are maybe knowledgeable about the Wenger brand, the company does not exist anymore. It was closed, and the majority of the knives went through change and are now part of the Victorinox brand. Okay, so today we have here the Wenger translucent 605. So this is the one of discontinued models as of 2017, of course. Comes in a really nice box with your holographic sticker, so you have certification that is original and genuine Swiss made. Really love these nice boxes. Just for comparison, we have here a similar style knife from Victorinox, the SD, really popular knife, and this is the box that Victorinox is using. Okay, so this is the model number AF 1.081.011.605. It stands for the translucent line, and the coloring, the color green. Also you have your little manual explaining where you should put a little bit of oil, but it is not necessary. These knives will function and work just fine as they are coming out from the factory. So what have we here? So this was the, I should say, take on the Victorinox SD translucent. So this was the model from Wenger, a little bit larger, a little bit wider. We have 8 functions. Just to mention, the blade steel used is 440 with the Wenger special heat treatment. We have a standard blade here, which is 45 millimeters. As you can see, there is the umbrella and the Wenger made in Switzerland. The scales are plastic, translucent plastic, 65 millimeters long, and the overall weight is 21 grams. The 8 features are including tweezers, then you have the knife, and also a nail file with also nice pointy tip, unsharpened, for your nail cleaning. Also standard for Swiss army knives are the toothpick and the tweezers. So just to compare it with the SD, SD has also the blade, the nail file, tweezers, very popular tool, and also you have the toothpick and a little bit better finished tweezers. As you can see, They are better hidden on the Wenger, but are just stamped together. And on the SD you have a little bit of plastic to better grab it. Yeah, so a little bit a collectible piece now, since the Wenger is out of business, and if you like to have a little bit bigger SD, maybe because you are a bigger guy, you have bigger hands and want a similar style knife, you probably can get them on Amazon or eBay. There are still companies that will offer them because they have them on stock. So if you have any questions, leave comments down below, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.